Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is May 23rd, 2025. So, we did get some news or rumors, information about the Intel Arc B770 at Computex. Alright, this is brought to you by Tweakers by way of video cards. So, Intel Arc B770 is reportedly set to release in the fourth quarter of the year. Alright, so currently we are in the second quarter, and the fourth quarter is basically October, November, December. Um, so we have a long way to go. It's just May. We have a couple of months ago. So Intel Arc B770 Battle Mage is still on the table. It is expected to debut in Q4. So prior to Computex, Intel's marketing created confusion by suggesting that a higher-end Battle Mage GPU, such as the A770 or A780, if they go with that SKU model name, whatever, might be announced. Intel employees directly responded to users who included these SKUs on their Computex wish lists. This was on X. Unfortunately, no new Battle Mage GPUs for gamers were revealed. Instead, we got Battle Mage Intel Arc Pro Series cards. So while Computex launch for the B770 didn't happen, some media outlets have confirmed that the card is still in development, and we've seen that in shipping manifests. So according to Tweakers, I believe they're a German website, I think, who spoke with multiple sources at Computex. These sources are close to Intel. They said that the Arc B770 is real and is expected to launch in the second half of this year, specifically in the fourth quarter. If this timeline holds, the B770 would arrive nearly a year after the B580, which is kind of insane. You know what I mean? So this is what Tweakers had to say. This was translated from, I think, German to English. They go on to say Intel's working on an Arc B770 video card based on Battle Mage architecture. Tweakers was also able to confirm this will with multiple sources during Computex. Sources close to Intel confirm the existence of the Arc B770 video card. According to them, the introduction is planned for the second half of this year. So maybe it's going to be, who knows, maybe it's third quarter. But because they said second half of the year, so the card is expected to appear in the fourth quarter, although the planning can of course still change. So these sources did not confirm any specifications for the card, and we're really unsure whether the B770 would outperform the B580, which of course logically it should, right? However, the B770 was long rumored to be using the BMG, not BGM, BMG G31 GPU. Okay, we know that the B580 and B570, they use the BMG G21 GPU chip, right? So with that said, it looks like we'll be hearing many more rumors about the card in the coming months. The most important takeaway is that Intel isn't finished with Battle Mage. The bigger question is whether the B770 will be launching in Q4 2025 will matter, even if it will already be too late to make a real impact. So honestly, just from what I think, my opinion, we don't know when it's going to release. Maybe it's going to be Q4, maybe it's going to be Q3. Whether it is late or not really does not matter, because you just need a product. If you have a B770, people will buy it. Look at the B580. People are buying it. It's getting sold out. Every time it gets restocked, it gets sold out. So people will buy it. So have a new product, put it on the shelves, put it for sale. People are going to buy it. You know what I mean? So that's going to be great. And also Panther Lake. Panther Lake is going to be using XE3. XE3 is what Celestial will be using. Celestial is going to be the C series of ARC GPUs. It's going to be Celestial HPG, or maybe it will be XE3P. That is rumored to be on the Intel 18A node processor. So we don't know, but this is good. Intel's not giving up on the Beast Battle Mage. Intel's not giving up on Arc discrete graphics cards. People will buy them. I'm very sure about it. Um, this is an awesome rumor and some good information. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm always covering Intel Arc and the GPUs. Take care, everyone. Peace.